Continuing our Puerto Rico series, we head to the Yunque Rainforest for some hiking and to get rained on. All right, now it's definitely raining.
I didn't bring my dry bag.
We are Joel and Michelle. We sold everything for a lifetime of adventure, and then the world shut down. Join us as we navigate nomadic life and traveling as the world opens back up.
Okay, good morning. We are headed off to an adventure this morning. We are going to Yunque, and it is the only national rainforest in the United States. And I did look that up to make sure that it is. So yeah, we're excited to go out on this adventure, do some hiking, see some waterfalls. And if you come with me, you can see it from our balcony. Oh yeah. Actually, the clouds, I think, have cleared up a little bit. So that's where we're going. All of our bags are packed. Bug spray, lotion, rash guard, swimsuit, water shoes. We're all good. Let's go.
So we've made it to Yunque. So we're actually at the first thing here. There's a cool map of where we're going to be going. As you can see, there's a few things that are closed at the moment. A couple trails that they're still trying to get all fixed up after the hurricanes and such. But actually, we're down here right now. We just got down here, and we're going to actually be heading up to the gate. And then today, we're hoping to actually see the Mount Britton Tower. So this is where we're trying to go. We're going to do a hike out all the way up to there, and then on the way back try to hit a couple other spots. So I don't know. You excited for a hike, babe?
Yeah, I think it'll be good. It feels nice out too.
Oh yeah, it feels
here.
really great right now.
Yeah.
We had a little bit of a rain, as it's a rainforest, so hopefully we won't get too much more rain here while we're here. But yeah. All right, let's go. We got at least, I don't know, probably another 30 minutes of driving because it's pretty slow going up here.
Yeah.
So, all right, here we go. So this is a really, really windy road, like 20 miles an hour max. And there's not a lot of little places to turn out. Oh, there's a car. So I can't imagine like trying to navigate this when the busy season is upon us, when there's tons and tons of people.
Yeah.
We're going in here on a Monday during the pandemic. So this is what, the end of February? And
Yeah, end of February. Yes. Yeah.
So
it still seems to be pretty quiet.
yeah, so far it's pretty quiet. But I can only imagine like how much tourism this place gets. And
Yeah, because I think this place is pretty popular. Okay, so we just made it through the gate. That was super simple. All we had to do is just pull up my reservation. I made it online. I just downloaded the PDF from my email and just showed it to the person working at the gate, and that was it. So it was really easy. Now we are headed up further into the mountain.
Yeah, we're going pretty much as far as we can. So our plan of attack here is to actually just go do the I think it's the Mount Britton Tower, and then backtrack. I know. It's kind of cool.
Your destination is on the left.
Okay, we made it to what is it, the little Britain?
Mount Britton.
Mount Britain. I don't want to say Little Britain.
That's a sitcom.
Tower. Yeah, we came Monday morning, so if you come during busy time, just know that parking is really limited up here. So that's why we came here first, because we wanted to get up here. And it's about, I don't know, do you think maybe...
It took us about 20 minutes from the entrance.
Yeah. And it's a good, I don't know, 5 degrees, 8 degrees cooler?
Mm-hmm.
Probably, I would say.
Yeah, it feels really good. It's
feels
like
nice,
mid-70s
yeah.
up here.
Yeah.
A little breezy. So, yeah, the parking up here, we'll show you some of the parking on the way back down, but it looks like a little bit more up this way as well. So there's a decent amount of parking, but it's all on the sides of the road.
Yeah, and you just want to make sure that you stay in this line.
All right, let's head down there.
Okay.
It's a little windy. Oh, there's the tower up there. Up there is where we're going. So far, the trail isn't too bad. It's not too rough, but I mean, we're in pretty good shape. So, but they do have like this really cool little rest area if you need a little rest. And so I think that's pretty cool. But this is pretty neat too. Look, they have the whole path is this little pavers. So that makes it very easy not to get really, really muddy. I'm sure that's a pretty common effect here, as you can see by just looking at the side. You can see at the side how dirty and muddy, and all these little waterfalls everywhere. I'm really digging this little trail. It's nice.
It's beautiful. It's absolutely stunning. All the trees and the rocks. All like the tiny, like, I don't know, little water, tiny little waterfall. It's so pretty.
And we got a little bit of a light, some sprinkles on us here. It's starting to rain on us, which is to be expected. And seeing all these clouds moving across and moving in. So we're literally like up high enough that we're actually in the clouds, which is pretty neat. All right, now it's definitely raining.
I didn't bring my dry bag.
Getting wet there, babe.
I just don't want this to get wet.
There's the shelter. Okay, so we're just hanging out here, waiting for this to pass. And waiting for it to pass. It looks like up high you can see the tower. It looks like it's a little wetter up there. So we're just gonna give it a few minutes, see what happens here. What's going on back there?
My bun got caught. Leaves on the wall.
Watch out for them leaves. Oh, there you go. It's another shelter. So that's like it's the third shelter we've seen so far, which is really good. Again, great for people who want to get out of the rain like we did, or we just need a little break.
Yeah.
I think we're pretty close, so check this out. Is that not like the most beautiful thing you've ever seen?
It looks like it might be clearing up a little bit.
Yeah?
The sun's like kind of peeking through.
Yeah, it is. So that means maybe, just maybe, we'll actually get a clear shot. Maybe even just a brief one. That'd be nice. All right, and here we are. We're right there. You see there's this other service road here, or not service road, but it takes you all the way up to the peak, which is right there. So now we have to go up this way, but they got that road closed off. So
I'm not sure why.
not sure why, but I think this is the same one that was closed off that we drove by. There was a few that were pretty much every road that went off to left or the right was all like gated off and closed off. So
Yeah.
I don't know if that's a normal thing or if it's just because of
I guess.
COVID or not, but
Or they're doing repairs on it from
yeah, or it
paint
could be
store.
repairs because it takes a while to get this stuff sorted out.
Yeah.
So. Okay, so we're going to finish on and get to the top of this thing.
It's really windy. Okay, so we made it. We are right here. So we have to walk.
No, right here. Well, right there. Now Britton Tower.
Oh. Oh, just right there. I was like, we have to walk all the way up here. Right there.
Just the trail right here behind us.
Yeah.
But man. That tower just appeared out of nowhere a second ago because all I saw were clouds. It's pretty crazy. So we're gonna try to make it to the top here. We're almost there. That's cool.
Are you pooped?
Battery died.
Whew. It's a bit of a hike up here.
Yeah.
And we aren't in terrible shape. Could be better. But yeah, just know that it's I don't know, probably what, 45 minutes up here?
Yeah, 45 to an hour.
Yeah.
It's really windy up here.
It's super windy. We made it though. We made it. It's stunning. Oh my word. The clouds moving in over the mountains here. It's well worth the trip up here. It's so pretty. Okay, we made it to the top of Mount Britton, and we are actually the only ones here right now for a minute. I would take advantage of it. As you can see, it's super, super windy, but the views are stunning. Like all windblown. This is strong wind up there.
So we just got back from the Mount Britton trail. Took us up to the little tower up there, which was really, really cool. So if it was a little less windy of a day, we probably got a chance to see.
It was so windy.
Yeah, we would have been able to see a lot more, but it was absolutely gorgeous, and we got to watch the clouds rolling through, rather ripping through.
Yeah, yeah.
But yeah, it was really good. So if you're planning on doing this trip, I definitely recommend giving yourself plenty of time. They suggest between 45 minutes to an hour to get to do it there and back, and actually, I'm sorry, one way. So I would definitely say.
Definitely took us that long.
Yeah.
Well, we stop along the way too to take a lot of pictures and videos, so that slows us down. So if we weren't doing that, you could probably do it in maybe 30 or 40 minutes.
Yeah, each way. But I mean, you're gonna take a look. You're gonna spend a minute up there, and if it's a busier time of year, then you're gonna probably be waiting to get to the top of the tower because it's not very big up there.
It's super tiny. Yeah.
So definitely give yourself a good 30 or 45 minutes at the tower. And then I'd say at least an hour each way on the way up and the way down so that you can take pictures or to kind of get around people and stuff like that.
Yeah.
We got lucky. There was not hardly too many people here. There was a handful in the morning, but we've noticed that, now it's after 1 o'clock and there's hardly any cars around.
Yeah, which is kind of surprising.
Yeah, so it took us in total, I think, a little over 2 hours to do it with our filming and everything.
Yeah.
So highly recommend it.
Yeah.
Now we're going to go see if we can get into some more trouble before we head back for the day. So as you can see now, there's like nobody here and there's nobody back there. And you probably saw us walking up, but yeah, there's definitely hardly any cars here now versus when we first got here. We weren't sure if we were going to find a spot, and there were a few left up ahead of us, but yeah, so there's that too. I guess the moral of this is probably come in the afternoon, which is the exact opposite of what we thought.
I don't know if you can see in the reflection, but there's our car keys. They were locked in our car. And so we're kind of stuck right now in Yunque.